So if you've been thinking about getting into vinyl, you've probably realised it isn't quite as straightforward as it used to be. There are fully manual turntables, automatic turntables, ones for built-in phono stages, ones without, Bluetooth models, and enough different cartridges and accessories to leave most beginners wondering where to start. So this is where the new FIIO TT11 comes in. It's a fully automatic belt-driven turntable which sits towards the entry-level end of the market, but unlike a lot of budget decks, it isn't just aimed at complete beginners. I think FIIO have actually pitched this at two different types of people. Firstly, someone looking for a dedicated turntable to add to their existing hi-fi separates, but equally, somebody who's maybe found a box of old records in a loft, inherited a vinyl collection, or simply wants an easy way to get into the hobby. With a built-in switchable phono stage, Bluetooth connectivity, and fully automatic operation, it's designed to make listening to records as easy as possible. So let's get it out of the box, get it set up, and see what it's like to live with. A big shout out to FIIO for sending this over for review. So inside the box, everything is well packaged and protected. Along with the TT11 itself, you get the platter, felt slip mat, adjustable counterweight, dust cover hinges, power lead, RCA cable, and the usual paperwork. Assembly is nice and straightforward. Just fit the two dust cover hinges into the rear of the turntable before sliding the dust cover into place. Next, drop the aluminium platter onto the main spindle and just stretch the drive belt over the multi-pulley. Once that's done, just pop the felt mat on top. Finally, screw the adjustable counterweight onto the rear of the tone arm. And you're pretty much done. Before playing your first record, you'll need to balance the arm. Remove the stylus protector, unlock the arm, and adjust the counterweight until the tone arm floats level. Once you've found that balance point, rotate the tracking force dial back to 0 without moving the weight itself, and then rotate the counterweight assembly until the dial reads between 2.5 and 3 grams, which is the recommended tracking force for the supplied Audio Technica AT3600L cartridge. Finally, set the anti-skate control to the same value and you're good to go. It sounds more complicated than it actually is, and it only takes a few minutes. Once it's done, you shouldn't need to touch it again unless you decide to fit a different cartridge in the future. The first thing I noticed about the TT11 is that it actually looks like a proper turntable. A lot of entry-level decks these days are just basically just a black plastic box with a platter stuck on top. The TT11 is different. It has a wood flat plinth, an aluminium platter, a smoked dust cover, and in my opinion, it just looks more like the sort of record player I grew up with. Now, although this sits below the TT13 in FIIO's range, I actually prefer the styling of the TT11. I think the wood effect finish gives it a much more classic look. Build quality is also very respectable for money. Everything fits together nicely, the controls have a reassuring feel, and overall it feels like a well-built turntable rather than another budget deck. And then there's the LED lighting underneath the platter. Now, is it completely pointless? Yep. Does it make the turntable sound any better? Nope, not at all. Do I like it? Of course I do. You can cycle through different colours, enable different lighting effects whilst the record is spinning, or turn it off completely if it's just not your thing. Personally, I think it gives the whole turntable a bit of a retro, futuristic vibe, and I actually found myself leaving it switched on all the time. The TT11 is a fully automatic belt-driven turntable. Press start and the platter starts spinning, the tone arm lifts, moves across to the record and gently lowers itself into the leading groove. You'll need to select 33 or 45 RPM so it knows what size record you're playing. When the record reaches the end, the arm lifts automatically, returns to its rest and the platter stops spinning. If you're new to vinyl, then this is all a really nice feature, and even if you're not, it's just convenient. Unlike many budget automatic turntables, FIIO haven't fixed everything at the factory. You've got that adjustable counterweight, adjustable anti-skate, and the replaceable Audio Technica AT3600L moving magnet cartridge. That means if you decide you want to upgrade in the future, you actually can on this deck. Around the back you'll find both line out and phono connectors. FIIO have also equipped the TT11 with a built-in phono stage based around a pair of Texas Instruments NE5532 operational amp. If you've got a pair of active speakers, simply switch it to line out and connect it directly without needing any additional equipment. If you'd rather use your own amplifier or external phono stage, just switch it over to phono out instead. There's also Bluetooth built in, allowing you to pair wireless headphones or Bluetooth speakers directly without any wires. That's perfect if you simply want to be able to enjoy your records without having to run extra cables around the room. Personally though, if I'm sitting down for a proper listening session, I'd probably stick with a wired connection. So moving on to sound quality. The supplied Audio Technica AT3600L performs exactly as you'd expect. It's a well-proven cartridge that tracks well, sounds balanced, and is perfectly suited to a turntable at this price point. No, it's not going to compete with a high-end audiophile setup costing several times the price, but that's really missing the point here. The TT11 is all about making vinyl enjoyable and accessible. Playback was stable throughout my testing, the automatic mechanism worked as flawlessly as it should, and once the record was playing, the deck itself remained impressively quiet. Whether I was listening through active speakers or over Bluetooth, everything worked just as it should. Overall, I think FIiO have got the balance just right here. The TT11 is ideal for someone buying their very first deck, but unlike a lot of entry-level decks, it isn't something you're necessarily going to outgrow after 6 months. If you decide vinyl is for you, you've already got the foundations there to upgrade the cartridge or use an external funnel stage later on. Perhaps my favourite thing is simply how it looks. The wood effect finish gives it a classic appearance, while the completely unnecessary LED platter lighting adds a bit of fun and gives it a retro-futuristic feel. One thing that is an oversight though in my mind is the supplied 45 adapter. There's nowhere to store it on the deck, there's just simply nowhere to mount it to hold it in place. So it's just one of those things that if you're not careful, you'll probably end up losing. But other than that, it's just one of those products that just makes you want to put another record on. So if you're looking for a dedicated turntable for your hi-fi system or your very first record player, I think the TT11 is well worth considering. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.